Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the in-app name of your IMOU Cell to security camera. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our IMOU Live app and then we're going to find the camera itself that you have connected to the app. So here's my camera right here, and I'm going to click on the two dots under the camera to bring up this menu. And then I'm going to click on the device details option, and then I'm going to click on this arrow right here next to test cell. And here we have the device name, so I can click on the arrow again to change the name of the camera. So I'm going to change the name right now and click on done, and click on the check mark on the top once you have selected your name. Once we come back to the main menu, you can see that the name of the camera has changed. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.